Bravo 738. Hello, Boeing 737-800. Request IFR clearance to Aeropark.
Zulu Bravo 738, clear to Aeropark, routing as filed, climb via Alpha Sierra Echo Mike India 1, Uniform Tango Romeo Alpha X-ray, except maintain flight level 310, squawk 2501, QNH 1020.
Cleared IFR to Aeropark routing as filed. Climb by Alpha Sierra Echo Mike India 1 Uniform Tango Romeo Alpha X-ray, except maintain flight level 310, squawk 2501, QNH 1020, Zulu Bravo 738.
Zulu Bravo 738, read correct.
Contact the ground office at 439 runway vacation. Ground office at 439 runway vacation.